Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. VHS C tapes. Very common, the endless problems with VHS C. When you put them in a VCR, got them in the adapter. Hopefully it's a batteryless operated, because those battery ones are a pain. They've got to all be in the same. I usually give them a little bit of a knock because they haven't been played in 30, 40 years sometimes, and you put them in and you hit play. Oh, see, it worked then. No, stopped. I thought that was going to be a case of, yeah, so like you hit play, nothing. Sometimes it just shuts down the VCR. You've got to pull the power cord out for a few seconds. And then you got this. And it shuts down again, okay? This is one of the many issues. So hopefully it gives it back. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you've got to then unscrew everything, take the lid off. So in these situations, you take them out. I give them a little bang. These have been well kept as well. This isn't the... it's really cheap plastic nylon junk inside, okay? Now, that's that. If that does sometimes do the trick. I'm doing this one-handed. Let me just stop this because I don't like to let these things rewind. And you're watching me live working, trimming the blank off the end. There we go. All right, so what you want to check, because you hit this button right here and it lifts the lid, and you got to check for any creasing or any kind of, see that little bit of folded end there? And also you can see right there, look at this, can you see that bump there, that little crease, and that crease right there? There's two, there we go, that shows. That is where it's been sat for decades, okay, and it's just bent and creased. So you want to get past that, okay? So you can either get a pair of scissors or your finger and wind this on. I've got a little tool here, and I'm just going to wind this on. Yes, you're going to miss out on a few seconds. And then put it in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this should play. Yeah, see, it's cleared up that issue. Audio's coming through, and there we go. Now, that is basics, okay? None of these transfer companies are doing that. Legacy Box, Kodak Digitizing, South Tree, iMemory, like all these companies, corporate and even small companies, are just telling people their tapes have gone bad, when that simple, tiny act right there of just using 2 brain cells to advance it on and get past and understand that this stuff hasn't been played in decades. And this is the good stuff, okay? So where you might have got all your tapes back and they say, oh, no, it can't be done, sorry, and they give no refunds at all. And this is why you need to be hiring, as I go into my rants again and again, professionals only, people that are charging real world money, not this $7, $8 a tape crap, because it is all shit. There's no other word for it but S-H-I-T in the English language, shit. As I say again and again, 20% of my work is redoing work from other companies. And, all of it was completely avoidable with a basic Google search, not Google, but maps.google.com to look at the correct reviews, not Google AdWords, where it shows Legacy Box with an image with 4.8 with 5 stars. Extremely misleading. Oh, crap. Fucking big scam.